Let's look at how to import the data from an existing WordPress website into P24 Dashboard. If you don't currently have a website set up in the dashboard, then you'll see this icon here inviting you to create a new website. However, if you already have a website here, you won't see this icon, so you'll need to go to Settings, Manage Websites, and you'll find the plus icon here to create a website. Notice I already have a website set up here, but it's not visible in my dashboard. Now let me go back to my dashboard, and I'll go ahead and click the plus sign to create a new website, and let's call it My New Site. I'll enter today's date, and I'll make it visible in my dashboard and save. Now, there are two ways to import the data from the existing WordPress website. You can import from a WordPress file, but this requires you to go into WordPress and first export the data into an XML file. The easier way is to use the auto-fetch from WordPress, which uses the WordPress RSS feed. So the first thing you need to do here is enter the WordPress feed URL, which by default is yourdomain.com/RSS. You can see this here in the tooltip. So what I'll do here is enter my feed URL. Now, before I hit fetch now, there's one thing to be aware of. By default, WordPress will only return the most recent 10 articles in the RSS feed. So if you have more than 10 articles that you want to import here in the dashboard, you first need to go to WordPress, your WordPress settings, and change the setting that controls the number of articles returned in the RSS feed. Let me show you how to do that, and I'll switch over to my WordPress admin console. Here in WordPress, I go into Settings, Reading, and you can see the setting here, Syndication Feeds, show the most recent 10 items. This is the default number, so I'll change this to 30 since I have 30 articles to import into the dashboard. Another setting I want to change is change this to full text instead of a default summary. This will allow the dashboard program to figure out the number of words in each post and assign the right type to each post. Let me flip back to the dashboard, fetch now, confirm. And here you can see 5 categories were imported, 30 search topics, and 30 posts. So let me go over to the new website. The snapshot shows 30 posts on the site, which is correct. And if I go over to search topics, I can see here the search topics associated with the 30 posts imported from my WordPress website. If I switch over to published posts, here are the 30 posts here, each with its category, the content category that it fetched from WordPress, the published dates, the maturity, that is number of months since published, the post type based on the number of words, the word count here. So at this point, your website is all set up with all the post data from your WordPress website. Now you're ready to dig into the traffic analysis views.